What if I told you that everything you own, your phone, your clothes, your food, your medicine, depends on something you have never seen? Huge cargo ships are silently moving across the oceans right now. But here is the real question. What happens if these ships suddenly stop for just 7 days? Can the world survive without global shipping? Or will the modern civilization start collapsing faster than we can imagine? Keep watching, because the truth is far more serious than most people realize. Everything you use in daily life is connected to a hidden global system. Cargo ships are the backbone of modern civilization. More than 90% of global trade moves through oceans. These ships carry food, fuel, electronics, machinery, and raw materials between countries. Without them, global supply chains would instantly break. Ports in major countries operate 24 hours a day to keep this system alive. Millions of containers are constantly moving across the world. But most people never think about it because it all happens silently in the background. Yet this silent system is one of the most important forces keeping the modern world running.
If cargo ships stopped moving even for a few days, the impact would be massive. Supermarkets would begin running out of essential goods. Fuel prices would rise rapidly. Factories would slow down or shut down production. Global trade would freeze almost immediately. Even powerful economies like the United States, Europe, and China would feel the pressure within days. Ports would become overcrowded with stranded cargo. The supply chain system would start breaking step by step. This is because almost everything in modern life depends on continuous shipping movement across oceans.
There are critical shipping routes that control global trade. Places like the Suez Canal and Panama Canal are extremely important for international shipping. If any major route becomes blocked, the entire world feels the impact. Prices increase, supply chains break, economies slow. And while most people sleep, thousands of cargo ships continue crossing dangerous oceans every day. Storms, mechanical failures, and global tensions are constant risks. Yet the system never stops. Because if it stops, modern civilization itself begins to collapse. And the final question remains: why does the entire world depend so heavily on something most people never even think about?
The global shipping system is not just about trade. It is the invisible backbone of modern civilization. Every economy, every industry, and every major country depends on this silent network of cargo ships moving across the oceans. Even a small disruption in this system can affect billions of lives within days. Prices rise, supply chains break, production slows, and global stability becomes uncertain. This is why shipping routes and logistics networks are considered some of the most important systems on Earth. But here is something even more interesting. Most people never realize how fragile this system actually is. One major disruption could change how the entire world functions. If you found this documentary interesting, make sure to like and comment your thoughts below, and tell us what topic you want next, from hidden global systems to unexplored real-world mysteries. Subscribe for more cinematic documentaries like this, because the world is full of systems you never notice until they stop working.